on how we reason and understand things. Number two, we must view this from the perspective of knowledge, from the perspective of continuous learning, and essentially from the perspective of profound wisdom as well, which is a key component. There are two types of humans, and based on their mental capacity as well, say it with me, there are two types of humans. Some people possess the necessary knowledge, but they lack the actual deep intellect required to fully understand it. You could say they do not have it. Conversely, some people have a truly magnificent mind gifted to them by Allah, but unfortunately they simply lack the necessary knowledge to use that mind effectively. Therefore, their minds do not receive any proper guidance, and so with their sheer intelligence they lead people to total destruction. An intelligent man causes far more ruin if he lacks correct knowledge, simply because he possesses the wit to know the most authentic and effective way to wreak complete havoc. He knows exactly what the effective method is. They often say, don't they, that an ignorant or foolish friend is significantly worse for you than even the most cunning and wise enemy. Because a known enemy will harm you while you remain alert, but a friend who is a fool causes devastating harm from within the safety and trust of that friendship. When he harms you in friendship, he does so with total sincerity. His mistaken aim is always your well-being, so he unintentionally sees you through to your ultimate ruin and your final end. The example is like a doctor who doesn't know the proper treatment but happens to have an injection ready. That particular doctor clearly lacks the fundamental knowledge required for the situation. He doesn't know that this specific injection shouldn't ever be given to those with a weak liver. I'm just giving an example specifically to those who might have a very weak liver. Now imagine you went to him as a patient. You already know that your liver report isn't right. The injection itself might be good medicine, but it is certainly not appropriate for you. Now you said to the doctor, "Doctor, this injection is clearly not for me." Upon hearing this, the doctor got very angry and frustrated, and he turned to you and said, "I am your friend and your well-wisher. I have far more knowledge than you." Certainly he does have more, but specifically regarding the details of this injection, he couldn't do full